starting up. Perfect. Hello, Tobin. Hello, Santag. Welcome to our webinar. We're just going to give it 2 minutes before we start. And yeah, we're just going to wait to see if someone else is going to be joining us. And I'm sorry for not turning on my camera, but I don't know what's going on. Okay. Quick 2 minutes. So just so you know, we have a Q&A section where you guys can ask your questions. We finish when Alec finishes with the presentation. You guys will receive all the answers. Just in case if you have any questions for now, you can just drop them there. We'll be glad to answer them back. Hello, Taylor. Thank you for joining us. We're just waiting 1 more minute to see if we're going to have more people joining us, and then we're going to start with the webinar. I'm sorry for not turning on my camera. Fortunately, it's not letting me. I guess it's a permission problem, but I do apologize for it. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to be sharing my screen so you guys see what we're going to be talking about. So basically, before I do my presentation and I present myself and Alec, who's going to be also presenting this webinar, just let me talk to you about what this is webinar about. So the webinar is about building a trade confirmation document with creator templates. So basically, we're going to show you the templates that you guys can use to build this trade confirmation document. And I will also talk a little bit about what we are, what we do, what type of product we offer. And then Alec is going to be showing you the code templates that we use for this. And again, if you guys have any more questions or if you have concerns, anything that has to do with like the template or regarding the product, you're more than welcome to do so. Hi, Hassan, welcome. Okay, so let's get started. Well, as I was saying, we'll go ahead and introduce myself. I am the Chief Operations Officer right here at Unidoc. My name is Maria, and I've been with Unidoc for 2 years already. And with me is going to be Alib Celestio, who is one of our full stack developers, and pretty much is actually the person that handles a lot of the things that happens on the background. So he's the know-it-all at Unidoc. So if you guys have any questions, he'll be able to answer those. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about who we are and how we started. So basically, we started as a commercial operations back in 2016, and we launched as an AGPL open source software, but we actually turned into a well, when we launched our first package as UniPDF and UniOffice in 2016, we became a top library in PDF and Office in Golang. So our founders are these 2 amazing brothers who live in Iceland. We are actually based in Iceland. So Gus and Alfred are the founders, and basically they are the ones behind the whole structure, and they also, you know, they're also kind of helping us all the way. Let's say they are the brain as well of the whole operations. So now I'm going to jump right straight to what is the type of products that we have. So first, we offer UniPDF. What is UniPDF? So this is a library package in Go to manage any PDF documentation that includes, but it's not limited to, reporting, PDF editing, digital signing, text extractions, and many other things that you can do. We also offer UniOffice. So UniOffice is the one that supports any Microsoft Office document management. So it includes anything from document conversions, property modifications, filling out forms, creating presentations, working with Excel sheets, and a lot of other things that you can do with it. Now, if you're looking for something that combines this both things, PDF with Office, we also have this other product, which is our Uni Suite. Package. It kind of combines everything from like what you can do in Uni PDF and what you do in Uni Office, but obviously at a very affordable price. So why Uni PDF? Now the performance do built using pure Go language, and also the template features in XML language. It allows you to process your template easily. So that's why we like to show you how the templates work so that you guys can have an idea of what is it that you're going to get once you start working with Unidoc. Now, the template features provide a new way of building those PDF files using the components available in the Uni PDF Creator package. Now, the aim of templates is just to make creating complex layouts a lot easier, faster, and by writing less code. So if no new data is required with the template files, you can modify without the need to rebuild any application. So that's the whole idea behind Unidoc, just to help you kind of go through it all and just, just have everything you require so that you can just put your data and then you'll be good to go. Now, for this webinar presentation, if you guys want to also try it out, you guys will require, and what Alib is also going to explain and what he uses, it's first, the Go programming language is installed, and we usually recommend using minimum a Go version 1.18. Then after that, you need Git installed. Well, basically that's optional, but recommended. The other thing is Unidoc offline license or UniCloud API key. Now we do offer another option, which is not just getting a subscription with any of our products, but also you can get an API key, which is online API key that you can use to replicate this. Now, the other thing you'll need is the trade confirmation document design. Once you have that, you'll be able to start building your document design. So let's go ahead and give it now to Alip, who's going to show you how to design the trade document confirmation.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. So yeah, basically, the example in this webinar is available on our UniPDF example repository. You can go there and look for the templates directory and then goes to trade confirmation directory. So yeah, here our design for this trade confirmation. So yeah, basically you can clone it if you have Git installed there. You can use Git clone or use the HTTPS mode. And then if the clone is finished or download is finished, you can just go to the directory of the trade confirmation tab. So yeah, moving on to the next template. So yeah, here inside the trade confirmation directory, we have a structure like this. There is a templates directory, rest directory, main.tpl file, and then there is a main Go file, which is pdf trade confirmation.go, and then the data for trade inside the trade.json file. And then there is PDF result, which is unipdf trade confirmation.pdf. So yeah, basically the template directory will contain our XML-like language, which is having an extension .tpl, and then there is a REST directory also which is storing the static file like image, font, and if you have a necessary file there like icon can be placed there also. And inside the main function of PDF thread confirmation.go, we call and process all the .tpl file along the data of thread, which is placed on the thread.json. With UniPDF template feature, it will automatically substitute the component inside the .tpl file with UniPDF creator component. And moving on to next slide. So yeah, the final output will be PDF file. So here's the complete code of the main Go file. So yeah, as mentioned before, if we are using this template feature, no need to rebuild the application when you have a change for the UI. You just need to change the TPL file only. So yeah, basically to run it, if you are already on the thread confirmation directory, just do the go run pdf underscore thread underscore confirmation.go and you will get the PDF result, which is the UniPDF thread confirmation. And thank you.
Okay, perfect. Well, I think that kind of sums everything when it comes to how to use this template. You guys, yeah, if you have a GitHub account, and again, if you can just easily use this templates to run that document, and yeah, that will pretty much help you out with this. And of course, if you guys want to try this out again, we do offer, if you work with a company, if you're a small, medium business or enterprise business and you are with us right now, we do offer you the chance to have a 14 days free trial. So you guys can test it out, see if it works for you and your use case, or if you are a private company or just using it for yourself, we also have that UniCloud a product which it allows you to kind of test it out and help you understand how it works. And we always provide support when possible. And yeah, if you guys have any questions right now, I guess you can just drop them into the Q&A, or you can just raise your hand and ask anything. I think I'm going to give it just 1 minute to see if anyone has any question. And I'm going to be sending, our marketing team is going to be sending out this presentation and also access to the document presentation so that you guys have access to all of that. The requirements that you need, or also the access to the template links so you guys can check it out and everything else. But yeah, you guys can also send us an email to support@uni.io, or if you have any questions regarding sales, or how the product works, or how you guys can purchase a license, you can also reach us out to sales@uni.io. So yeah. Hale, you had any questions? Okay, well, I think that we're good then. No one has any questions. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining us. And again, we're going to be sending this presentation. You guys will have access to those templates. And if you have any questions or would like to just try out our product, please send us an email and we'll be glad to help out. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Ali. And we guys see you, I guess, on the next webinar. We usually do one webinar at the end of the month, the last Tuesday of the month. So next month, we're I guess after this, we're gonna decide what's gonna be. But you also guys will receive a invite to the next webinar in case you guys want to join. So thanks again. You guys have a great rest of your week, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.